Epoxy provides an extremely durable and stain-resistant finish that looks amazing and is easy to maintain. In this guide, we'll show you how to achieve these fantastic results in your own home.
As you can see, this garage floor has seen better days. So I'm going to give it a fresh new look with this all-in-one epoxy kit by Dymark, available at Bunnings.
This kit will cover up to 40 square metres and is suited for interior floors only.
When working with epoxy, prep is super important. So I'm going to start by sweeping out the dirt and removing these oil stains with some degreaser. Now that all the oil and grease spots have been removed, it's time to scrub the floor with a detergent or cleaner and then hose it off.
Time for the etching. Empty the etch packet into 10 litres of warm water. Remember to wear your safety equipment, including gloves, safety glasses, a mask and closed shoes. Working in small sections at a time, wet the floor, then pour on your etching solution and scrub in with a stiff bristle broom. The solution may fizz for a few minutes. Once it stops, hose it off and move to the next section. Once completed, thoroughly rinse while scrubbing the entire floor and then leave it to dry. So I've left the garage floor to dry for 72 hours now, and now we're just going to check that all the etching residue has been removed, and you do that just by rubbing your hand along the concrete. If you have no dust on your hand, then you're good to go. Now onto the epoxy. Stir the contents of each can and then pour part A into a large bucket followed by part B. Mix together thoroughly for at least 3 to 5 minutes with a flat paddle stirrer. Now leave to stand for the appropriate induction time as outlined in the kit, stirring occasionally. After the induction time, we are ready to start edging and rolling. For a clean look, you can carefully edge with an angled cutter brush or tape up with painter's tape prior to edging. Make sure to use a roller that is suitable for epoxy. Working in small sections at a time, roll on the epoxy and then sprinkle over the decorative flakes before moving on to the next section. A handy tip is to evenly divide your flakes into small cups or containers. This way you can allow 1 cup for each section for an even coverage over the entire floor. Once completed, refer back to the drying times table in the kit before allowing any foot or vehicle traffic on the floor.
And there we have it. What a difference. It's like a whole new floor. But not only does it look good, it's now easy to keep clean, durable and will last for many years to come.